tale. What oceans have you sailed? By air or by snail? It's tribe mail, brought to you by Two Brothers, One Vision.
And welcome to Wowwy'z Workshop. We are in the creation station today, you guys, for a very unexpected, let's say unexpected tribe mail today, guys. Now, we are going to be talking about our great friend and brother, Stephen S. Carvings from the UK, but there's a twist. This isn't from Stephen. This is from Stephen's home address, but this is actually from the Mrs. Stephen S. Carvings, who I know that Stephen watches our live shows with her, and we are so gracious, like, we appreciate you guys so much. I can't even get it into words how much it means you guys' support. And now we find out that she has sent us something. So I thought we'd do it out here in the creation station. I'll put you in the overhead, and together we're gonna find out what's been sent here. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. How? Choo! What is? And here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now, I know I'm going to say it again. Stephen S. Carvings has been such an amazing supporter, and not only a supporter for all of that we post on this channel, but on our Two Brothers, One Vision page on Instagram and Facebook. He is always there. This is something that he sent us, that he made with his 3D printer, I guess you'd call it. Really awesome. And then all the signs that you see, like the little plastic ones that I have stuck around in different places, placed strategically. Little self-promotion, but hey, that's what we're out here to do, right? To be lighthouses and get our stuff seen, right? So all of those little signs that you see, there's one up there with LaRue. It's a heart-shaped one with our logos, and that's all from Stephen. And so not only as an amazing supporter he is, but a very kind man, and he has sent us things, and we are in the process of making a package to send his way. So that's why this is, I didn't understand what was happening or didn't know anything about this, but this just arrived, and he said, well, to be 100% honest, it wasn't me who sent it, but it did come from our home address, and it was from his wife. And then I said that, well, if there's anything damaged, I just won't I won't share the video, or we'll get it figured out. But I told him I had to record it. We had to record it, okay? Because this stuff matters. And I think what I'll do, like, I can start putting up little pictures and stuff, but what I'm gonna do right now before we crack into her is I'm gonna make a little tiny video here of some of Stephen's work. He is a truly gifted creator, and so I'll with some music from LaRue, and we'll do a little tiny slide video thing here, and then we'll come right back to this. Alrighty, let's do that now. Okay, like I said, he is a awesome awesome carver, creator, multimedia artist. Stephen is. Yeah, and I am proud to call him a friend and a peer and a tribe member. He is a huge part of the Kindred Spirits wood carving tribe, and always supporting everybody's work. And he's just a phenomenal dude. I want you to know that, Stephen. That yeah, we got to get crazy here and get into this fortress of a package. My goodness. Now, on the package, it said plastic figurine. And I was like, what? And then I thought, maybe did they say plastic figurine so that, it'd be easier to get through the border in case, because some places have issues with sending wood carvings, right? We found out. When old Amy Joe there, we had an operation to send Frank, may he rest in peace, our brother Frank, a package once. And she ran into some problems with sending wood over, but she sent it up to me, and Canada didn't have the same problems, and then I sent it to Frank. So I thought maybe did it say plastic figure because of that? I just couldn't understand what's happening. But we're going to find out, you guys. Oh, my goodness. What's happening? What is happening in here? So there's a package within a package. My goodness. Okay, we have a little letter here. Let's see. My goodness. Hi, my wife Carla made this for you, for the little hello you say to her on your lives. Hope it arrives safe and sound. All the best to you and your family and the rest of the tribe. Stephen. Well, thank you so much, Stephen and Carla. Now that I formally know your name, I always give a little, I do a little bow thing in my lives. And thank you so much. This is so thoughtful. And I'm totally beside myself. I do not know what this could be or what is happening here. But like I said, folks, we're going to do it together. Oh man, this carving community and tribe, as we call it, means so much to me. It's you guys are my circle, my friends, my pack, my family of creators. You guys mean so much to not only Wowwy, but to Two Brothers One Vision. A huge part of our lives. And finding, kindred spirits, kindred souls. And then me taking part in being an admin for the Kindred Spirits Wood Carvings group, it gives my life so much more purpose. It's truly a healing and important factor in my life. I just want you all to know that I see you guys as just true wonders, and just to be 100% real, I love you all, and I mean that. Okay, you guys, we're getting through the barricades of bubble wrap. What is this? My goodness, you guys. Isn't this just like freaking Christmas morning? Oh, wow, he's so lucky to have you guys in my life, man. I don't want to damage anything. Oh, I can see some feet. What is this? What could this? Oh my goodness. You know what? Are you fucking serious? You guys, Stephen, they know that E.T. is basically my favorite movie of all time. Oh my God. Holy shit, you guys, look at this. Okay, oh my God. So they've they've 3D printed this amazing ET figurine with the Two Brothers One Vision logo on his belly. Oh my God, I'm shaking, man. This is so effing cool. Oh man. I'm so touched by this, Carla. Holy smokes. Oh my God. This is fucking awesome. There goes the F-bomb. There goes the F-bomb. Oh, he's in perfect condition, you guys. Well, let me get this. Don't ever counter my wife. Sorry for that sound. She's watering the plants back there. Oh my God. It's perfect. It's in perfect shape. Ow! Look at this, you guys. This is so cool. You can see the layers from the 3D printing. And they've cleaned it all up. Look at the eyes. Look at that logo. It looks like it's stitched. Oh my God. I love this. I love this so much. Thank you, Carla. Thank you, Stephen. I will cherish it for always. It's gonna, this is probably gonna be in the downstairs living room. I'm sure Katie is gonna love it just as much as I do. That is so freaking cool. And my brother too. This is to Two Brothers One Vision. And I know Darren appreciates it too, and I can speak on his behalf. Oh my God, I love it so much, you guys. Thank you. It is so awesome. Okay, let's find a spot, a true spot of honor in our home and close this off. Holy smokes. So cool. Joe! I am so blessed to have you folks in my life. Here, let's hear Jack's. That's an amen to that. Oh, much love, you guys. Thank you. Now let's find a place. Now, after speaking with Stephen and Carla, they shared some more of her amazing 3D printer work. And I don't know what all goes into this stuff, but I'm sure that there's a lot of work to do all these little guys. Look how awesome that is. Keep shining, Carla. You're doing amazing. You're making magic, as we like to say. And now, I've been thinking a lot about this. I'm going to be making a special shelf for E.T. for where he goes in the Hall of Creations, like I did for Daniel's Angel. He needs a special, and I got a really, really cool paint job in mind, so that'll be in store. And after messaging them and thanking them, they told me that they chose E.T. because E.T. has healing powers. And they know that Two Brothers One Vision needs a lot of that. And that just, oh man, I can't tell you what that did to my heart. Thank you guys. Thank you both for being lighthouses to us. There is no YouTube without you. Much love, everybody.